Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to talk about a little bit about balance, because I feel balance is so important to a human being's life, like daily. Let's say if you have a burst of a spark of a great idea, of a dream you want to fulfill and to do. And without balance, you either overwork yourself or you tend to not do anything at all. You either overthinking of what should I do next, or you just like run into a situation like a bull, like a wild bull, and without direction and guidance, will easily run into obstacles and get very frustrated at those moments. So having a balance is the key towards success and towards everything in life. To be able to enjoy the process while you were getting closer to the goal is just as important and as joyful as you achieve the goal, the final end point. When we lose balance, sometimes we are very easily to get locked up in a zone. Like if we have something in mind, we want to do it ASAP, we want to finish it as quickly as possible, and then we lose all control of ourselves, that we put all our energy, all our focus on this thing that we're currently doing right now. And time, space, other people, what is happening around you don't matter anymore. I mean, that is okay. That is advantages when you are working, because that makes you very focused. But on the other end, it also makes you lose balance. It also makes you to kind of ignore the external environment, that the things is happening around you, and what you have and what you are focusing is just your goal. It's just what you want to do right now. So in that way, not saying that's a bad thing, but I'm just saying that's a very risky thing, very dangerous, because once your life and all your vision is locked on only this picture, only this goal in front of you, and you're not able to see anything else. So when your current process, when your goal failed, when you met any obstacles or challenges, you'll be crushed. Your world will fall apart and you won't be able to know how to stand up, because you put so much energy and focus on this thing, and this thing don't happen. What are you going to do at that time? So that is why I want to talk a little bit more about why balance is so important. Because, life, there's endless goals. There'll always be next goal and next purpose and next thing you want to do, next dream you want to fulfill after. It's like an endless, infinite hole, like a black hole, suck up all your energies. Of course, achieving a goal and reaching a milestone or a destination makes you very happy. But how can you be always happy? Because goals takes time and takes energies and takes resources to make it be realized. So what do you do at this process of achieving your goal? That is actually something called balance. So balance is something, it's very hard to find, but once you find the balance, you can fill yourself with endless joy and happiness. Balance is when you look or achieving something, reaching a goal, that you know the process of getting to that destination is just as important as the destination itself. Sometimes we overweighted the destination of the process we're currently experiencing, and that could cause trouble, because it could be a whole journey reaching that destination. And if you are not able to enjoy that journey, then what's the meaning? What's the point of having that journey? You'll be filled with endless pain and suffering. If your joy, if your happiness only comes from achieving a certain goal, you can never be happy. And that could directly lead to greed, because once you achieve this goal, you immediately look for the next one, and you are on the hunt of finishing the next goal. So your whole life, whole procedure, like the whole journey, you're just chasing after one thing after another thing. It's like chasing after a sunset. And if you are, it's nothing wrong about chasing after a sunset, but if you are not able to enjoy this journey, you better not chase that sunset. So why balance is so important? Let's say if you don't have a balance, and then you are working towards your dream, and then you met some obstacles. That is the only thing you have in your life. Once that happens, your world crashes, and then you started the whole process of judging yourself, doubting yourself, whether what everything you're doing right now is making sense, is meaningful at all. So you're starting to questioning and denying all about you, the current you, the past you, and the future you. So that is the key thing of why balance is so important, because you don't want to get yourself in those situations that you put so much effort and strength in trying to do something nice, trying to achieve your dream, and then you end up in a situation that you started to questioning and doubting yourself and feeling pain and struggled all the time. That is not something we want. What we want is joy and happiness. So when that thing happened, what do? That is the time to find faith, re-find faith and confidence in your heart. Because when your world started to crumbling and crash, and you started to doubting, all you can do is to see that candle flame within your heart, the original thought, the ideas, the dream that you had that makes you started this journey, and hold that flame and don't let go. That will give you the guidance and courage towards any obstacles, any difficulties. What I usually do, if I'm in that situation, of course I crush too, I break down. When I got sad, I cry just like anybody else. But then I'll do the positive affirmation, because the negative thinking and positive thinkings, they're like yin and yang. They're like the two extreme of the world, and they cannot existing at the same time in your brain. So what you can do is to replace the negative thinking with positive thoughts. It's like the darkness and the bright day. A sunny day cannot exist at the same time. So when you are in the dark, light yourself with the sunshine. Once the sunshine rises in your world, the darkness is gone forever. That sun, that sunrise, that sunshine is the candle flame, is the faith, is the original thought, the original ideas, the love, the passion, the sparks that pushed you towards to where you are right now. So hold on that flame and be consistent, disciplined, and keep telling yourself that every day you're getting closer to your goal. No matter what you are experiencing right now, even you're frustrating, even you're sad, even you're doubting yourself, just know that you are already closer to your goal than yesterday. So you should be proud of yourself. When you're sad, When you're frustrated, do this. Take a deep breath and hold and breathe out. Imagine all the negativities are coming out of you, and instead all the positivities and all the sunshine, all the love and happiness come towards you. And in the end of this video, I also want to share some of the very useful tips that I've been using when I'm experiencing those situations. I listen to the positive thinking affirmations, and then I'll go outside and walk around, touch trees and flowers. It might look crazy if you see me on the road, but that's what I do. I touch trees. I feel their skin. I imagine how they grow in the summer and how they're kind of resting in the winter, and how they could be like a good friends and hugging me and giving me energies. And I imagine what their leaves look like in summer, or their leaves look like in fall, and in winter they're covered in beautiful snow. And also look up to the sky, and I see the snow falls on my face, and I keep telling myself miraculous future is coming towards me. I embrace all the possibilities and positivities into my life. I embrace all the opportunities into my life. And sometimes I will stare at a candle flame. I stare at a candle flame and feel the warmth around it. And to set myself at a very quiet zone. If you can do meditation, that would be a great way as well. But if you cannot, put your mind to calm and quiet, and then you can put all your energy on a object. For example, like a candle flame. You can look at the flame and to help yourself refine that flame within your heart, and to hold on that flame, feel the warmth. That will give you the courage and confidence. And in the end, I will share some couple links that I've been using for the positive affirmation, and I found it's very useful to me, so I hope that's useful to you as well. So that's everything for today's video. I hope this video could help you, and if you like my video, if you found it's useful, please like this video and leave a nice comment below. Make sure you subscribe and click that button, click that bell, so you don't miss any of the new uploads. So thank you everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.